I mean, I'm not gonna say I don't know, but I feel that shit for sure. I feel this shit misfiring, but it's not misfiring bad to the point like I can't really drive it, but like it's misfiring because I feel that shit. Like when I'm in second gear, I know this car, feel me? I know once I hit second gear and I'm about to get into boost, once the boost kick in, I'm full throttle, I should already be at like 65 miles per hour, you feel me? But when I'm full throttle after second gear, it's only getting to like 50. So I know it's misfiring, you feel me? Just from driving the car like previously, I know it's something not right. And I was right, because look at this shit. This should say cylinder 1 misfired, cylinder 3, cylinder 4, and then random, and then the evap not ready, then the oxygen sensor's not ready, and then right here on the side, that should say misfire 1, 2, 3, 4, the not count. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's I changed the spark plugs, but it's still doing that. So I'm gonna replace the coils, and if that don't help, I'm gonna try to what was I about to say? If the coils don't work, then I'm gonna try to hit up my tuner and let them know and see what's up. But I'm thinking, cause K-tuner is a little funky, bro. Like sometimes we would save tunes and go back, and sometimes the tunes would be messed up. So I don't know. Maybe K-tuner is acting up, but I'm gonna ask my tuner, see what he say.